Welcome to Healthism. The benefits of hibiscus are numerous, as it is rich in antioxidants. It can potentially aid in weight loss, inhibit the growth of bacteria and cancer cells, and promote heart and liver health. Hibiscus is typically consumed as a tea, made by steeping parts of the hibiscus plant in boiling water. Its flavor is tart, reminiscent of cranberries, and can be enjoyed hot or cold. While there are hundreds of hibiscus species, Hibiscus sabdorifa is the most commonly used for making tea. Research has demonstrated various health benefits associated with hibiscus tea, including lowering blood pressure, inhibiting bacterial growth, and assisting in weight loss. This video highlights 8 benefits of hibiscus. 1. Packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants serve as shields against free radicals, harmful compounds that can harm cells. Hibiscus boasts a wealth of potent antioxidants, suggesting its potential in averting damage and diseases triggered by free radicals. Research has shown promising results. In one study involving individuals with Marfan syndrome, a condition impacting connective tissue, an infusion of hibiscus extract notably reduced oxidative stress while boosting antioxidant levels in the blood. Similarly, an animal study revealed that hibiscus extract played a protective role against cell damage in rats. However, it's essential to note that these investigations utilized concentrated doses of hibiscus extract rather than hibiscus tea. Further studies are warranted to explore how the antioxidants present in hibiscus tea may impact human health. 2. May aid in reducing blood pressure. Among the notable benefits attributed to hibiscus tea is its potential to help lower blood pressure. Persistent high blood pressure can exert additional strain on the heart, leading to potential weakening. Additionally, it is linked to an elevated risk of heart disease. Various studies have indicated that hibiscus tea might effectively reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. In a small-scale study involving 46 individuals with high blood pressure, participants were assigned to consume either hibiscus tea or a placebo. After 1 month, those who drank hibiscus tea experienced a more significant decrease in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure compared to those who received the placebo. Similarly, a 2015 review encompassing 5 studies concluded that hibiscus tea contributed to a notable reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure, with average decreases of 7.58 millimeters of mercury mmHg and 3.53 millimeter Hg, respectively. While hibiscus tea may offer a safe and natural approach to lowering blood pressure, individuals taking medications for hypertension should exercise caution as it may interact with these drugs. 3. May aid in improving blood fat levels. Aside from its potential to lower blood pressure, hibiscus tea has been associated with improvements in blood fat levels, which are another significant risk factor for heart disease. In a small-scale study conducted in 2009, 60 individuals with diabetes were divided into groups consuming either hibiscus tea or black tea. After 1 month, those who consumed hibiscus tea experienced notable increases in HDL, good cholesterol levels, and decreases in total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. Similarly, an older study involving individuals with metabolic syndrome demonstrated that daily intake of 100 milligrams of hibiscus extract was correlated with reduced total cholesterol levels and increased HDL cholesterol levels. Furthermore, a review conducted in 2022 concluded that hibiscus tea could be more effective in reducing LDL cholesterol levels compared to other types of tea or a placebo. However, it's important to note that conflicting results exist regarding the effects of hibiscus tea on blood cholesterol levels. A review encompassing 7 studies and 362 participants found no significant reduction in total cholesterol or triglyceride levels associated with hibiscus tea consumption. Most studies, indicating the beneficial effects of hibiscus tea on blood fat levels, have been conducted on individuals with specific health conditions such as metabolic syndrome and diabetes. To ascertain its potential effects on the general population, further large-scale studies investigating the impact of hibiscus tea on blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels are warranted. 4. May enhance liver health. The liver plays crucial roles in producing proteins, secreting bile, and metabolizing fats, all of which are vital for overall health. Fascinatingly, research suggests that hibiscus may contribute to liver health, aiding in the maintenance of efficient liver function. A small-scale study conducted in 2014 involving 19 individuals with overweight revealed that the administration of hibiscus extract over 12 weeks led to improvements in liver steatosis. This condition, characterized by the accumulation of fat in the liver, can potentially progress to liver failure. Moreover, findings from a study involving hamsters showcased the potential liver protective effects of hibiscus extract as treatment resulted in decreased markers of liver damage. Additionally, a recent animal study conducted in 2022 reported that hibiscus extract exhibited promising results in improving fatty liver disease in rats subjected to a high-fat diet. It's important to note, however, that these studies primarily focused on the effects of hibiscus extract rather than hibiscus tea. Further research is warranted to elucidate how hibiscus tea specifically influences liver health in humans. 5. May contribute to weight loss. Several studies have proposed a potential association between hibiscus tea consumption and weight loss, indicating its potential in combating obesity. In a small-scale study conducted in 2014 involving 36 overweight participants, those who consumed hibiscus extract over a period of 12 weeks experienced reductions in body weight, body fat percentage, body mass index, and waist-to-hip ratio, compared to those who received a placebo. Similarly, findings from an animal study echoed these results, suggesting that hibiscus extract could potentially aid in weight loss by inhibiting the accumulation of fat cells and reducing appetite. However, it's important to note that existing research primarily revolves around studies utilizing concentrated doses of hibiscus extract. Further investigations are warranted to elucidate the specific mechanisms through which hibiscus tea may impact weight loss in humans. 6. Contains compounds that may aid in cancer prevention. Hibiscus is rich in polyphenols, compounds known for their potent anti-cancer properties. Test tube studies have yielded promising findings regarding the potential impact of hibiscus extract on cancer cells. For instance, one study demonstrated that hibiscus extract inhibited cell growth and reduced invasiveness in mouth and plasma cell cancers. Similarly, another test tube study indicated that hibiscus leaf extract hindered the spread of human prostate cancer cells. Furthermore, research suggests that hibiscus extract and its constituents possess the ability to suppress the growth of various cancer cell types, including those associated with breast, stomach, and skin cancers. However, it's essential to note that these findings are derived from test tube studies employing substantial amounts of hibiscus extract. Research involving humans is necessary to ascertain the potential impact of hibiscus tea on cancer prevention. 7. May aid in decreasing the growth of bacteria. Bacteria, single-celled microorganisms, are known culprits behind various infections, including bronchitis, pneumonia, and urinary tract infections. Certain test tube studies have suggested that, apart from possessing antioxidant and anti-cancer properties, hibiscus may also exhibit potential in combating bacterial infections. For instance, one study indicated that hibiscus extract inhibited the activity of E. coli, a bacterial strain known to induce symptoms such as cramping, gas, and diarrhea. Similarly, another test tube study revealed that the extract effectively combated 8 strains of bacteria, displaying efficacy comparable to certain medications utilized for treating bacterial infections. However, it's important to note that no human studies have yet explored the antibacterial effects of hibiscus tea. Thus, it remains unclear how these findings may translate to human subjects. 8. Flavorful and simple to prepare. In addition to its potential health benefits, hibiscus tea offers a delightful taste and is effortless to make at home. To prepare, just add dried hibiscus flowers to a teapot and pour boiling water over them. Allow it to steep for approximately 5 minutes, then strain the mixture. Sweeten to taste if desired, and savor the refreshing beverage. Whether served hot or cold, hibiscus tea boasts a tangy flavor reminiscent of cranberries. To balance out its tartness, many choose to sweeten it with honey or enhance it with a splash of lime juice. Dried hibiscus flowers can be conveniently sourced from your local health food store or online. Alternatively, you can opt for pre-made tea bags, which can be steeped in hot water, removed, and enjoyed with ease. Hibiscus tea, a variety of herbal tea, is linked to numerous potential health advantages. With its delightful tart taste, it's a beverage you can easily prepare and relish in the comfort of your own kitchen. Research, primarily conducted on animals and in test tubes, suggests that hibiscus may contribute to weight loss, enhance heart and liver health, and even inhibit the growth of cancer cells and bacteria. However, it's important to note that the majority of current research relies on test tube and animal studies utilizing substantial amounts of hibiscus extract. Further studies are necessary to ascertain how these benefits may manifest in humans who consume hibiscus tea. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And of course, subscribe to Healthism if you haven't already for more great content. If you have any questions or want to share your own nutrition tips, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from our incredible Healthism community.